Hey there, savvy shoppers and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to add your Amazon Prime Visa card to Venmo. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money on the go, linking your cards can make transactions smoother and faster. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your phone. If you don't, download it from your app store and create an account if you're new. Once you're logged in, open the app and head to the main menu. Look for the three horizontal lines or your profile icon in the top corner. That's your gateway to settings. Next, tap on Settings and scroll down until you find the Payment Methods or Wallet section. This is where the magic happens. Hit Add a bank or card and select Add a card. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Grab your Amazon Prime Visa card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card just like it appears. After you've filled in the info, Venmo might ask you to verify the card. This could involve a small test transaction or linking it to your bank for security purposes. Don't worry, it's all standard to keep your account safe. Once verified, hit Save or Add Card, and voila, your Amazon Prime Visa is now linked to Venmo. Pro tip: always double-check your card details to avoid any errors, and remember to monitor your transactions for security. If you run into any issues, Venmo's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it, folks. You've just added your Amazon Prime Visa to Venmo in no time. Now you can use it for seamless payments and maybe even earn those sweet rewards. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.